An issue that's probably going to come up is cutting your fringe, your bangs. So I'd like to make a demo on how to do it. Before I start, just a few things I want to give you a heads up on. First of all, do not cut your bangs as short as you think you want them to be. You can always cut it shorter. Secondly, just cut your bangs. Move the rest of your hair out of the way. And the third point, very important, I think, is practice. Before you even get those shears and touch your hair with it, practice doing a dry run, or as many dry runs as you want. Try to navigate the dynamics of the comb, the scissors, and your angles of how you're going to be achieving your goal. That's it. So without further ado, let's get on with the show. Okay, so I'm using a mannequin and I'm going to walk you through this. So I'm sectioning out the hair that I want to cut, and this is a side sweeping fringe. Okay. So I'm combing it out, measuring it, drop my comb, and I'm about to say a bad word, but I didn't. So look, I'm measuring it again. So there's an angle in there. Picking up my comb. Okay. So I'm working with it like if I was you. So this is your hands. My hands are there. See on how it is angled. You know, shorter by the side and longer going off to the other side. I'm point cutting into it or chipping, and let's see what we got. Comb it out again. Do I need to chip any more? Is there some stuff in there that should not be? I'm just like really just dusting over it. When I let it go, you can see how on an angle it is from short to long. That's because my hands were on a diagonal. Okay. That looks pretty good to me. I like that. I'm combing it, I'm looking at it, I'm moving at it. Even if you do a bang trim, it's not like a 2-second thing. You really have to see how it coordinates with the rest of the hair. That's why I'm bringing those side panels down, because let's see how it flows all together. Okay. All right. Here comes my brush. I'm doing this on dry hair. Don't do it on wet hair, obviously, because when hair is wet, it's usually longer than it is when it's dry. That was probably another swear word. Not that I'm a big swearer, but sometimes I am. All right, brushing it through, combing it out, seeing how it falls in with the rest of the hair. That, looks pretty good to me. I left that part out completely. I didn't incorporate it on the fringe because the side parting is almost on the outside of the eye, if you look at it. So let's fuss and muss and let's see how it's doing. It's looking good. Looking good. I like it. So here are the picks. 1, 2, that's another side, and 3 is another side. Okay? Looking good to me.